Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're carving something that looks detailed and expressive, but is actually very approachable. In this video, we're going to show you how to carve a realistic rooster head from a simple block of basswood. Even if you've never carved an animal before, we'll break the process down step by step, and by the end, you'll understand how to shape the forms, add character, and make your animal carving actually look alive. This is a great practice project for beginners who want to improve their animal carving skills without committing to a full figurine. It works especially well because we're carving just the head, so you can focus on the most important features without dealing with legs, wings, or a full body. You'll work on strong silhouettes, layered features like the comb and wattles, and expressive facial details like eyes, beak, all in a compact, manageable size. We're using basswood because it's a lightweight, soft wood that's smooth, easy to cut, which is exactly what beginners need. The block size is about 4 by 2 by 2 inches or 100 by 50 by 50 millimeters. Big enough for clean shapes, small enough to stay in control. Tool-wise, you don't need a huge setup, but having the right tools makes each step easier and helps you avoid forcing a tool to do the wrong job. The C16 roughing knife removes bulk material and helps to shape. The C7 detail knife handles clean edges and fine work. The K808 gouge creates smooth curves, and the K1202 V-tool adds crisp lines, texture, and feather details. Also helpful, printable carving patterns, a pencil for touch-ups, and a clamp to keep the workpiece secure. Glue the patterns onto all 4 sides of the block. This might seem like a small step, but it's what keeps the carving symmetrical and the proportions accurate as you carve. Make sure the patterns are aligned on all 4 sides. This makes shaping much easier later. Once the glue dries, it's time to rough out the shape. Start by removing excess wood, following the pattern lines, and establish the basic form of the rooster head. Don't chase details yet. Beginners often rush this part, but good roughing makes everything later easier. Focus on big, confident cuts and getting closer to the overall silhouette. Secure the block in a clamp for stability and safety. Now continue roughing out the shape on all 4 sides. Working evenly from every angle helps maintain proportions and prevents overcarving one side. Next, focus on the comb. Start defining its general shape by cutting down from the top and separating it from the head. Keep the cuts smooth and gradual. The comb should feel organic, not sharp or blocky. We want the shape simple for now. We'll add character later. With enough material removed, begin rounding the head. Smooth transitions between surfaces make the carving feel more realistic. This step removes the blocky look and gives the carving a natural flow. We want gentle curves and subtle contours. Now carve the wattles under the beak. Follow the pattern lines and think in layers. These forms hang slightly away from the head. Take your time here. Clean shapes make detailing easier. Next up is the beak. Start by defining its overall shape, then carefully separate the upper and lower parts. Small controlled cuts here prevent chipping and keep the beak sharp. To create shadow and depth, carve a small recessed area between the wattles under the beak. This negative space helps the features stand out and adds realism. This is the refinement stage. So we move into finer details. Carve the eyes, clean up the beak and wattles, and adjust the contours. Check the carving from all angles and adjust the contours to keep the silhouette balanced. Add feather texture using light cuts. Keep the lines clean and directional. Texture should support the shape, not overpower it. Finish with light sanding to smooth sharp edges and clean up the surface. Oversanding can remove carved character, so keep it minimal. See? That's your realistic rooster head carving. Clean shapes, strong details, and a lot of character packed into a small project. Projects like this are a great way to build confidence with animal forms and detailed features. Don't be afraid to try animal carving. Start simple, take your time, and enjoy the process. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a like and let us know in the comments what you'd like to carve next. If you're new here, subscribe for more wood carving tutorials, tips, and project ideas. And as always, happy carving.